What's up, YouTube? Today I will be doing a video review on my latest computer build. If you've checked out my cinematic video before, there wasn't much of a description, just a bunch of pictures and video. But today I will be going more in depth with my build. So first off, let's start with the case. The case I'm using is the Corsair 760T. It is a full tower case and it requires no tools to install all the components inside. At the front of the tower there's 140mm fans. These are like white LED fans. The other ones I think come in red or blue. Up top here is your power button, your reset button. You have two USB 3.0 slots and two USB regular 2.0 slots. And then here on the left there is a headphone jack, microphone jack, and this button here, let me get you in focus, controls how bright the lights are for the LED fans. Now swinging around here to the side, you'll notice that there's this panel right here. This is like a quick release, so it's easy to open the side panel to get access to the inside or all your components. Again, there is no need for any tools or anything else really. It's just a snap in, pull out. Now inside the case, what I really like that I didn't have in my old tower, there is these little slots here on the inside where you can hide the wires, so it looks a lot neater. Also, it being a full tower, there's great airflow, so if you stick your hand inside, there's only 3 fans, 1, 2, and 3. You can feel the airflow going through the tower, and everything is pretty much cool. So a quick rundown of the parts I chose. Starting off with the processor, I went with the 5820k Intel i7. The motherboard is the X99 ASRock. I went with 16 gigabytes of the Ballistix Sport DDR4 RAM. The video card, I went with the 760, the Geforce 760 2 gigabyte. Power supply unit, I went with the Corsair RM750. And to cool the processor, I went with the Corsair H105. That's the dual fan version. Also, to hard drive space, I went with the Samsung 840 EVO 250 gigabyte solid state. And over here is just my old, I think I have a couple terabytes of Seagate regular hard drive. So let's get you a closer look here. That's the Corsair H105 Hydro Cool on top of the 5820K on the X99 board. So there you can see the H105. It's mounted to the top of the tower. Here's my solid state, the Samsung, and the Corsair RM750. This thing is highly recommended for those that want a super quiet computer. I believe anything under 40% of usage, the fan is pretty much off, which makes it super quiet. So there you have it. That is my latest computer build. I mainly built this computer for video editing, photo editing, and some light gaming. Some reviews on that: I run Photoshop CS6 no problem. Adobe Premiere rendering video is no problem. I can probably upgrade the RAM in the future to make it even faster. But right now I'm running two 25-inch monitors on the video card, that's no problem. I've been playing StarCraft and Diablo 3 recently, and on the highest settings the GPU handles it no problem. So yeah, I have no complaints with the computer build so far. Highly recommended for anyone that can afford it. Definitely not necessary to have all this power, but it's awesome to have. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If not, I will catch you guys in the next video.